When Kim finishes my retightening, I want a crimpy look. Good evening. Good evening. I am preparing to shampoo my hair. And I have braided my hair. As a matter of fact, I had these braids in my hair all day. And now I'm going to put some bands on it. I will not take it out after braiding, after I shampoo it. After I shampoo my hair, I'm going to just leave these braids in overnight because I want them to look like a braid out tomorrow and have a more crimpy style after I go for my retightening. When Kim finishes my retightening, I want a crimpy look. But I wanted to come to you tonight to show you that I was getting ready to shampoo my hair, and right afterwards I will tell you how easy it was to shampoo the Mofajang hair material out of my hair because it's still there. You'll see the difference in my hair color after I shampoo it, and that it won't be this dark. It'll be the gray will be more prevalent. The gray will be more prevalent after I shampoo my hair. And I just wanted to introduce this video to you. I will also have a clip of how I will also show you clips of me showing you how the Mofajang hair material affects it, how easy it is to wash off of my hands. I will also show clips of how easy it is to wash off of my hands. And there's one more thing that I know I did. Oh, and also talk about the color transfer to the pillowcase or my clothes. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, subscribers, for your support. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in, watching my videos, liking them. The comments are phenomenal. And I just love the comments. Lately, the comments have been wordy, but you've really been talking to me, and I like that. I really do. There's been more words than usual. You've been answering my questions, and I really appreciate it. And if you're watching this video right now, and you have not subscribed to this channel, my question to you is, what are you waiting on? And you can even answer that in the comments. Also, if you are watching this video and you're a subscriber, my question is, why did you subscribe to this channel? That would give me an idea about what I should be doing in order to gain more subscribers, because I then know why you came and became a part of the family. Now I'm getting ready to, you know what I'm getting ready to do. If you watch my previous video, you know that I'm getting ready to go to get my hair retightened. And I'm just here to take these plaits or braids out of my hair. And at the rate that I'm going right now, not quite running late, but not it seems like I might not get out of here when I want to, so I'll have extra time, I may take these braids out in the car, because it's easy to do. And I don't have to concentrate on the braids. But what I am going to do is loosen these ends, because that takes a little bit of concentration, because sometimes I go too far on the ends and then it takes a while, as in the case of this one, where I think I just could have stopped right in here, because I did band this time. And I braided my hair with a purpose in mind, for a braid out, because I am somewhat getting over that not braiding and banding. For those of you that have watched my channel, you know that my hair has been in Sisterlocks, or I have been wearing Sisterlocks for 3 years, but I still braid and band. And that's for my own security in my mind. But I have shampooed my hair at least twice without braiding and banding. But in order to get the look that I want after my retightening, I braid and band my hair before. And so that's what I'm doing, taking these braids, or starting them anyway, before I get in the car, because I can't be this meticulous, or I need to concentrate on driving rather than taking these braids out. And I'll have enough time while driving, because I have about a 45-minute drive to my loctician. And I have a somewhat unusual day, because usually when I'm going to get my hair retightened, I don't work in the salon. But today I have to retighten one person at the end of the day, and I will do that. It still gives me time for myself. Yeah, and that looks pretty good too. I'm going to do a 360 for you, and the next time you see me, I'll be in my car. Enjoy your day. All right, guys, I am here and I am going in. I am 7 minutes late, because it begins to feel lovely. Look at that. Oh, man. This looks almost like a hairstyle up there.
No, I would not see you do like that.
Oh my. Oh, this feels good. Y'all, it's already 40 seconds of this.
Huh? 40
it's
seconds.
40 seconds of it.
You're not going to get 15 minutes. No. My arms will not last for 15 minutes.
Well, I'm going to turn the camera off, because I don't want to hear you fussing in there. Just look at me. Look at my hair. I just came out. It took him almost, I guess, 2 hours, almost 2 hours flat to retighten my hair. It feels so good. And she took pictures and did a video, and that will be shown at the end of this video. She didn't have any transfer from the Mofajang hair wax, because I shampooed it out. And you're gonna also see me probably later on today adding the Mofajang hair wax to my hair. And I think that at least one person has commented since I made the video and saying that it did not appear to affect the way my hair felt or the texture of my hair. No, it didn't. But I will ask you to take a look and see if you agree with me that the Mofajang hair wax makes my hair look even thicker. So address that in your comments in this video, underneath this video. And I'll see you again soon. You're looking at one tired woman. Yes, I went out early this morning, had my hair retightened. I had an 8:30 appointment. I got there late. And after my retightening was done, 2 hours later, I went and visited some of my former colleagues at the school. And after that, I went to do a retightening at the salon. Then I came home and did some work in the house. Why? I was tired already. But now I just want to get this video done so I can let you see my retightening. It's done. The retightening was done. There was no transfer to anyone. Was no transfer to Kim because I washed my hair out very well last night. And I just wanted to come and finish up this video and let you see what my hair looks like. I really like it. I will be putting the Mofajang hair wax on my hair tomorrow morning, because I decided not to do it tonight before going to bed because it won't be dry. And yes, that's the end of this video. I am a happy yet tired woman. I just need to get some rest tonight and say to you, this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, my followers, and my clients. But I especially love God because He keeps on keeping me and He keeps on blessing me over and over and over again. And He blesses me with people like you. Have a good night.